This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a new SIM card or even a new SD card into your phone. So you need a SIM card removal tool that will open up the little casing on the side. So I have this one. This one came with my phone. It's not very good, so I might put a different one on here at some point in time. So in the meantime, I'm just going to be using this little earring right here. And then I can go to the side and I can locate the SIM card tray. Now you probably see a little hole on the top. I believe that's a microphone. So you want to look for this hole with the little tray next to it. Just put the tool into here and it should pop out. So this is on my Motorola phone. You can see it popped out a little bit. I'm going to slide it back in. But here's my older Samsung S9. I'm just going to find the tray. It's on the top. Put this into here. It'll pop out. And then what we can do is get the old SD card and we can put it into here and just look at it. It's going to go in a certain way. And then we can place it in and then slide it back into the phone. Okay, perfect. And then we can slide it in. And then if we are trying to insert a SIM card, it will take maybe like a minute for the network to kick in, so you can see my network's available here on this phone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.